Alright, guys, so today we're gonna resell on the telehandler brake. So I need to resell it. So guys, so this is the best way if you resell or you change the brake for this kind of machine. This is the best way. Do not follow by the book manual, because somebody he told me follow the book manual. So what he said about the book manual, so we need to remove everything from here on the front. Yeah, all the gear, all the drive shaft. So this is pain in the ass. It's because it's too much work. Unlike you cut on here, just remove all the bolts, boom 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 boom, and make your own stand, or like this what I talking about. Yeah, see, so saving your hours. Some other people said do not work hard but you work smart. That's what I like it. Okay, so why I need to resell this brake, guys? So because the oil comes out from here. Yeah, so see, this is only the oil right now. Supposed to be, it's almost I think 8 liters is inside on here, but right now just only I drain like that. So yeah, so I need to resell it, guys. So this is your brake line in here, and this is your brake, guys. So I'm gonna show you for if somebody he didn't know about this. Okay, guys, this machine is telehandler. It's almost the same on loader. Yeah, so this is your here, see, yeah. Okay, guys, so if you see this one, this is your all brake lining, brake line plate, brake line plate, just alternate. Okay, so if you want, yeah, guys, so that's a simple, I teach you how to quickly to resell or to change your brake. Just make it like this and do the bolt only from here. How many bolts only? Unlike to remove everything from the beginning, from here, hub. So if you remove this one, this is technically you need to change the hub seal and everything, the seal from here. And the pain on the ass, you need to must remove this drive shaft from front to here. Yeah, so it's not good, eh? Unlike from here, like that. So sometimes we do need to follow the manual book, because if you want saving your time, do what is the best for you. Okay, guys, so this is again, this is a machine telehandler. See, yeah, this is a similar from loader. If you want to change also in the loader, it's almost the same procedure. And this one is a JLG 1255A. So right now I'm gonna do, you need to unbolt, Allen bolt from here, 4, and we need to remove assembly. So this is hole. Took this one, and we have an o-ring on the back. So that's only o-ring I changed it. Not, yeah, that's o-ring only, guys. So I have a new o-ring right now, so I'm gonna show you here. Okay, guys, so this is all my o-ring only. That's only one. Why it's 4? It's because it's have a 4 brake on this machine, so it's front, rear, both side. Yeah, so that's why I have just only O-ring, guys. So if you need the parts number, here the parts number. This is a OEM original from JLG dealer, or we have an aftermarket here, just fair on the old one. Use aftermarket, I think it should be good as long as it's close to here. Okay, that's it, guys. So this is only O-ring I changed it. It's only one inside from here, so I need to remove that one. Four Allen bolts remaining, and that's it. And you need to change this. Yeah. And this one, guys, this is your adjusting lock ring nut for your bearing. This is the one you need to adjust for your backlash. Same as on the gear, same as on the, what you call that, differential. So this is your adjustment for the backlash, and this side is for your differential, and this side is for your gear. So guys, how to engage the brake on this one? It's almost close to the clutch. If you hit the brake, the pressure is going in here and spreading the pressure from here. We have a piston cylinder inside, and the what you call this, the lining plate is engaging each other. And if you're engaging each other, this shaft, what you call this, this shaft is same as on the clutch. Hold this to that not turning, so that's why we reduce the power and until you engage. Do not turn, so it's no moving on the machine. That's it, guys. So sorry, it's hard to English, but I try my best to speak in English because it's not only on my own language as a Filipino is watching on this my video, because I think all over the world is watching on my video, so that's why I can try to speak my English. But and all my Filipino or my kababayan, if you have any question, it's simply just write on the comments on my video, and I gonna answer you as our language, as a Filipino language. Alright, guys, so again, this is a JLG 1250 telehandler. Thank you so much and have a good day.